Welcome to Employment and Education News. Please subscribe the channel to know the latest update. It is free. 6 Scientific Officer C and D post vacancy in National Institute of Science Education and Research Bhubaneswar. Eligibility PhD in Physics or Medical Physics, PhD in Experimental Nuclear Physics, BE or BTech in Electronics Engineering, MSc in Radiation Biology or Medical Physics. Age limit maximum 40 years. Last date for application 10 June 2021. Salary for Scientific Officer C level 10 and for Officer D level 11. 21 electrician post vacancy in Hindustan Copper Limited. Eligibility ITI with experience. Age limit maximum 35 years. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 15 July 2021. 7 cyber security expert, database expert, web developer, senior web developer, senior mobile app developer, PhD system developer post vacancy in National Capital Region Transport Corporation Limited. Eligibility bachelor degree in computer science and engineering or information technology or bachelor degree in electronics engineering. Age limit maximum 40 years. 18 assistant director, senior consultant, Rajabhasa and interns post vacancy in National Rural Infrastructure Development Agency. Eligibility graduation BE or BTech, MCA or MSc. Age limit for consultant 65 years, for assistant director 45 years, for internship maximum 25 years. 18 steno assistant, assistant warden, machine mechanic, library assistant, junior assistant, lab assistant, driver and multitasking staff post vacancy in National Institute of Fashion Technology. Eligibility 10th, 12th, BCom, MCom, graduation, ITI, diploma, bachelor degree in library science. Age limit maximum 27 years. Last date for application 21 June 2021. 10 Junior Research Fellow post vacancy in Defense Research and Development Lab. Eligibility BE or BTech in Mechanical Engineering and Aeronautical Engineering or Aerospace Engineering with valid GATE score. Age limit maximum 28 years. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 14 June 2021. Stipend 31,000 per month. 8 Deputy Registrar and 4 Assistant Registrar post vacancy in National Company Law Tribunal. Eligibility officer working under central government or state government. Age limit maximum 56 years. Last date for application 30 June 2021. Salary as for P level 11 for Assistant Registrar and level 12 for Deputy Registrar. 6 Deputy Director, Principal Private Secretary, Assistant Director and Assistant post vacancy in Warehousing Development and Regulatory Authority. Eligibility persons who are holding or have held the post of Joint Secretary to the Government of India or Director on the Board of Directors of Public Sector Undertaking. 43 Technical Officer, Sports Officer, Junior Technical Superintendent, Junior Engineer, Junior Lab Assistant and Junior Assistant post vacancy in IIT Mondi. Eligibility BSc, Diploma, BE or BTech, MTech, Bachelor degree with knowledge of computer. Age limit 40 years for Technical Officer and Sports Officer, 35 years for Junior Technical Superintendent, Junior Superintendent and Junior Engineer, 30 years for Junior Lab Assistant and Junior Assistant. Last date for application 4 June 2021. 62 Junior Engineer, Hindi Translator, Junior Accounts Officer, Upper Division Clerk, Stenographer and Lower Division Clerk post vacancy in National Water Development Agency. Eligibility 12th, graduation with knowledge of computer, master degree in Hindi, degree in commerce. Age limit between 18 to 27 years for Junior Engineer, Upper Division Clerk, Stenographer, Lower Division Clerk and 21 to 30 years for Hindi Translator and Junior Accounts Officer. 137 General Fitter, Electrical Mechanic, Commercial Assistant, Technical Assistant, Unskilled, FRP Laminator, UT Crane Operator, Welder, Structural Fitter, Nurse and Trainee Khalasi post vacancy in Goa Shipyards Limited. Eligibility 10th, ITI, Diploma, Degree, BSc Nursing with experience. Age limit maximum 33 years. Last date for application 4 June 2021. 34 Technical Assistant, Technical Officer and Senior Technical Officer post vacancy in CSIR National Geophysical Research Institute. Eligibility BSc, Diploma, BE or BTech or Master degree. Age limit 28 years for Technical Assistant, 30 years for Technical Officer, 35 years for Senior Technical Officer 1 and 40 years for Senior Technical Officer 2. Last date for application 14 June 2021. Salary for Technical Assistant pay level 6, for Technical Officer pay level 7. 5 management trainee and 2 junior Hindi translator post vacancy in NBCC India Limited. Eligibility MBA, MSW, PG degree in management or master degree in Hindi with English. Age limit 29 years for management trainee and 27 years for junior Hindi translator. Last date for application 21 June 2021. Application fees 500 and no fee for SC, ST, PWD and departmental candidates. Thanks for watching till the end.